Hello again, YouTube. I'm back. And not too long after the unboxing of the Koolatron vending fridge, I've got some Dr. Pepper in it. And I've got one unopened Dr. Pepper in the middle, not on the suction cups, because they give you two options, because there's two vendors. I just have that in the middle because if we look inside, there's one Dr. Pepper on both sides. Sorry, I hit you on the wall right there. It's already ice cold and it's been there for probably not even 15 minutes. There is the Dr. Pepper. Magnetic. That's pretty cool. Koolatron. And they're both blue because neither of them are sold out. So we're going to try both sides. I'm going to try side one first. Here we go. There's my Dr. Pepper. I think I need another Dr. Pepper. Hold on. I was thirsty. Yeah, that's how I like it to roll out like that, not when the face is first. It's actually a colder Dr. Pepper. Now these are already generally pretty cold because they were sitting in the garage in a box of soda. That's weird. There's no sold out sign on because they're both empty in the inside. I think. I don't know. I think they should both say sold out. You can tell the difference though between the temperature of this and these two, and they've only been sitting in there for that small amount of time. I'm gonna go ahead and put them back. I just wanted to make another video. My Koolatron. Yeah, maybe I'll make an update soon or something. Something of that nature. Let's go ahead and get it open. That is my Koolatron vending fridge. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.